Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about tips on how to make the bustier to relax very well. Okay, after you might have sewn your bustier, you can see this is a princess bustier. Okay, so guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, after this one, I'm not using a cup. So I use a wording for it. You can see I use the medium size, not the hard one. The next thing is to tap. After joining it, the next is to tack it. If you don't want to top stitch on it, because I don't want to top stitch, so I'll go ahead and tack this, tack it like so. So I'll go ahead and tack, but don't allow it to pass through the main fabric, okay? So just open it up and tack. Okay, so I'm trying to tack it for it to relax very well. Okay, this is before ironing. You have to tack it very well to make sure that everything is relaxing. You can see I'm picking it from under the wording. Then you can split. After tacking this side, okay, we start again from this side, this end here. So this is how to make the bustier to relax very well. If you want to avoid top stitching at the front side, this is how to make your bustier, whether princess bustier or normal bustier, to relax very well. This is the best way to achieve it. You can see this side, you didn't pass this, and make sure it's your main focus is at the back of the word. Okay, you can see everything is already flat. By the time you iron it, it will now be more flat. But as you're doing, make sure you don't drag it so that it do not squeeze. Okay. So if you look, you will see that I didn't extend to this down part because I know by the time I iron it, everything will relax as well. So I don't need to tack, and my main focus is at the wooden side. show you how to make your bustier relax very well. Okay, without top stitching it at the front side. Okay, normally after sewing you can top stitch. Most people normally top stitch. Okay, most people normally top stitch at the front side. To get a nice relaxing bustier without top stitching at the front side, this is the best tip you can use using only needle and thread. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So you can see how it is. To really avoid the pointing at the bustier, you can see, then just go ahead and iron your dress. Iron it very well. You can see the structure is already standing. So by the time I iron it, you can see. So guys, thank you for watching.